Selamat sejahtera. Nama saya RAVEEN dan KRISHNAN. Saya dan rakan-rakan saya, CHU ZI HUAO, FAIZAL, YASMIN, WONG KUAN akan membentangkan problem based task OOP kita. So untuk problem based task ni, part saya akan terangkan line 1 sampai line 55. Iaitu user kena masukkan satu password yang betul. Kalau password tu betul, baru boleh diorang access program ni. Kalau password tu salah, the program akan lock. So, saya terangkan macam mana yang saya cakap tadi akan berlaku. So, dalam program ni, first line saya import java.util.star. Maksudnya, saya akan import all the classes and interfaces within the Java. So, semua classes dan interface yang ada dalam java.util folder tu akan di-import. So, lepas tu ikutkan soalan yang dia bagi. Kami create satu kelas namanya BALIK-in. Dalam BALIK-in pula, kami create public string password dan kami initialize sebagai password 1234. P alias SSWORD 1234. Inilah password dia. So, dalam kelas BALIK-in ada satu white method, white display. Dalam white display method tu, kami declare items yang mula-mula ada adalah kosong. So, then untuk kelas BALIK-in, kami create satu objek kat sini. Then nama objek tersebut obj. Then kami declare pass sebagai string. Then kami buat satu scanner dekat sini. Disebabkan dalam do while loop yang akan datang nanti, dia minta password daripada user. So dia minta input daripada user. Disebabkan dia minta input daripada user, kami kena import scanner lah. So baca input daripada user tu, kami kena import scanner dulu. So lepas dah import scanner, kami buat do while loop. Dalam do ni pula, kami buat untuk ask user to enter key in the password. So inilah sistem command dia. Then next, lepas kalau password yang user enter tu betul, dia akan baca if else ni. Kalau condition yang saya buat ni, maksudnya password yang user enter tu kalau dia betul, dia akan paparkan display ni. So terus dia akan break the loop. Kalau password yang user enter tu salah, dia akan tunjukkan, dia akan continue items. So kalaulah password yang diorang enter tu salah, dia akan continue attempts sampai 3 kali pun diorang enter password yang salah, dia akan paparkan display ni. You have entered wrong password for 3 times, the program was locked, dan terus the program akan exit. So inilah saya buat condition dia, kalau password attempt tu dah reach 3 kali, still password yang salah, dia akan paparkan macam ni. Kalau password yang dah betul, pass.equals to password yang declare saya ni, iaitu password yang ni, dah condition to true, dia akan paparkan display ni dan dia akan break the loop. So sampai sini je saya akan terangkan. Untuk selanjutnya, saya pass dekat CHU ZI HUAO. So thank you.
Thank you, Raveen. Let me introduce myself first. My name is CHU ZI HUAO from the class DT4P session 2. So I will continue for the coding. So here we have the need to have the subclass from the superclass. So we abstract classroom as then PULAU-in like above. So here we have this coding subclass from superclass abstract classroom as then PULAU-in. So inside we prepare in room type. So we declare the room type as the proper integer and abstract the work calculator payments. is a method to calculate the placement. Later we will do. Then we have creating the class customer extend the room. So we have the coding like this, class customer extend room. So we need to declare the name and IC as the public string first. So that why we coding public string name and IC. So the room type and the day we also declare as a public integers. So we public in room type dash, and then range we also declare as public integer. Public double service charge total balance payments we declare as the public double. So inside we continue to work customer. Inside we have set the parameters, stream name, string IC, integer day, in room type. So we differentiate instance variable from local variable for the name, IC, dash, and room type. Continue to the coding. So then we will continue to the coding. So we have protected word method for the class customer. So here we use the switch case for choose the room type. This case one is for the roster single, the type of the room. So we integer rent for 60 ringgit a day. So service charge will be use the rents we input letter to time with the 0.05. Then double total equal to rents plus with the service charges. So we differentiated instance variable from local variable. So we have the coding like this dot rent, this dot service charge, this total. So case 2 is for the roster double. So the rent is 80 ringgit for a day. The service charge we rent time with 0.08. So total is equal to rent and plus with the service charge. Also same with the above. Also we have different instance variable. Crazy also same, only the prices is changed to 130 ringgit for day. So rent is time with the service charge is the rent time with the 0.1. So for the cash flow, we rent equal to 140 ringgit a day, and then rents we type in the 0.12, and then after we choose, we will break the cases when we choose one of the cases. So here we have the protected method for the class customer. So here we have put the scanner ARR equal to new scanner the system stock in. So after that we will print in the payment detail, and then the rents, service charge, total rents, and payment from the customer that we need to input ourselves. And here, if the payment is lower than the total, so if you error, if you system auto bring in the message that pay amount are not enough, so the program will close. So at here, we give the formula for it to calculate the balance. So the system auto print the balance, how much, and this is the formula. So system to auto print. At last, we will thank you and please come again. All from me to present. Then I will let the Wong Wei Kun to continue to the next coding.
Hi everyone, I'm Wong Wei Kun from class TTT4C. Now I will explain about the main function method of the coding. The main function is PPT-OOP with static word main. Then I change the name PULAU-OOP into new PULAU-OOP by creating object on it. Customer arcade change also to new customer by creating object. Then display the object. I've applied exception handling method in try and catch statement. First, I scan and read from system in. Then the system will ask the customer to insert their name and IC number. After this, system will scan their input as string. Then, the system will display the room type by list out 4 options for the large single, large double, large triple, and large quadruple. User need to key in the entire room type, and system will scan it as integer. In here, I've used if else statement to set condition if user enter invalid room type. When the user key in numbers excluded from 1, 2, 3, 4, the system will remind the user to enter again the room type, or it will close the system. This is the example of when the user to key in the room type that exit from 1, 2, 3, 4, then the system will come out a statement, please enter the given room type. Then else, when user key in the chosen room type, system will ask how many days staying at the hotel by declare it as integer. Then system will display all the information given by the customer and payment also. And this is the example when the customer key in all the correct information and the date. This is what I do in try statement, and now I'm going to catch statement. I've used input mischeck exception in here when the user insert any character except numbers. For example, the user key in large single to select it, the system can detect it as input mismatch error as it cannot enter string value. This is the example when the user input A for the room type, then the system will come out a statement of your room types are invalid as it cannot enter any string numbers. Then the system will say room type invalid. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Saya NURFARISYA YASMIN. Okay, hari ni saya nak present kalau saya run file run coding PBT ni, dia akan keluar apa. Okay, so first saya akan masukkan password yang betul, and then bila saya dah masukkan password yang betul, dia akan keluar macam ni. And then dia akan minta nama customer, saya letak nama saya, and then nombor kad pengenalan saya. Lepas tu dia akan minta, lepas saya dah berjaya masukkan dua-dua maklumat saya ni, dia akan minta room apa yang saya nak. So saya pilih lodge single, and then dia akan keluar staying duduk untuk berapa hari, saya tulis 2, and then dia akan direct keluar terus payment detail ni. And then kalau dia akan keluar customer bayar berapa, and then saya letak 150, and then dia akan keluarlah baki yang dia akan bagi balik dekat customer. Okay. Kalau yang ini pula, kalau saya letak salah, saya masukkan 3 password yang salah, dia akan terus lock terus program tu. And last sekali kalau saya masukkan kalau saya run file tu, saya letak room type ni, tak letak nombor, saya letak perkataan je, dia akan cakap your room type are invalid. Kalau invalid sebab programming ni dia minta select type tu integer. Dia minta nombor, bukan tulis perkataan. Sebab tu kalau tulis lodge single ni, dia akan cakap room type are invalid. Okay. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.